the Indian national content 1988 the France the Azad Hind India national arm in 1942 the give a very humorous give me wall and he was is a place cut on 8 August 1 1945 in Tamil he got India his relevance was Bhagat Raj in 1992 after his theatre Netaji was a great hero. He saved his life for Mother India. बोल दिया सर हमको सारा नेट फिर से बोले सर
Hello, Avnish, please say something regarding today's topic. Hello, Avnish,
Yes, sir.
please say something regarding today's topic.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freed figure of India. He was freed known as Netaji. He was born on 23 January 1897 at Cuttack in Orissa. His father's name was Janjaya Junkinath Bose and his mother's name is Prabhavati Devi. He was elected as the advocate of the Indian National Congress in service. He formed the Azad Hind or in for in Indian National Army in 1942. He gave a very famous soldier. He bold and nine will give you build.
It's done, Avnish.
क्या सर?
It's done. हो गया?
Yes sir. Yes
Okay.
sir.
Yes, Julie, please say something regarding today's topic. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom, free, freedom
Freedom
fighter
fighter.
of India. He was preferably known Netaji, he was born on 23 January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. His father's name was Janki Nath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He was he was elected and as the president of the India National Congress in 1938. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj out Indian National Army in 49 to 1942. He was died a um, plain on 30 August 1945 in time.
Okay, it's done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi Shivani, please say something today's topic.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter of India. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. His father's name was Janki Nath Bose and his mother's name was mm, Prabhavati Devi. He was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1938. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army in 1942. He gave a very famous slogan, "Give me blood," and he was died in a plane crash on 18th August 1945 in Tian. He got India's highest civilian award, Sarth Ratna, in 1992. After his Netaji was a great hero. He sacrificed his life for Mother Indian.
Very nice Shivani. Yes, Om Prakash ji, today our topic is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So please say something, Om Prakash ji, if you are free, few minutes. Yes, Om Prakash ji.
Yes, so Subhash Chandra Bose. First is many leaders telling him Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose is a great leader for Indian political leadership. He is the first leader who is motivated to Indian to fighting with the British rule. So these great leaders born 23 January 1897 and he's only the 40 years he survived alive and 18 August 1945 he died by the plane crash in Japan. So he belonged to political party Indian National Congress is the forward bloc from the Bengal and his parents uh, Janki Nath Bose his father and Prabhavati Bose his mother. Uh, Subhash Chandra Bose parents living in Cuttack, which is belong these times is the British rule times. This is coming in the Bengal right now in coming in the Odisha. So is Cuttack and he is very intelligent student during the academic. 1918 he passed the BA in the scholarship with the philosophy and good academic. Then his father suggests to him to crack the examination of ICS. Right now, UPSC conduct the examination for the civil examination. So right that time ICS it examination will conduct in Beatrice. So his father suggested him to go to crack these examinations. So he go to the England for the crack these examinations. So is the good exam competed. That time the only the six vacancy is there for AICS. Or he is crack and this examination and got the fourth positions. Then but his interest not interest of to serve to British rule. He want to freedom. So that's why he become again coming to India and joined by Indian National Congress. And very few times he become as the president of Indian National Congress. Many times he defeat to Jawaharlal Nehru and Rajendra Prasad ji also. But his nature and his thought not match with Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. So then he tell to Mahatma Gandhi, you need to uh, in Indian National Congress because without you, because Mahatma Gandhi, Indian National Congress not be as strong. So I will left it and do another the things. So he left the Indian National Congress and making many organizations after the British rule not happy with the Subhash Chandra Bose. Then Subhash Chandra Bose be out go run away from the India and go to Burma through Japan and meet to Adolf Hitler, and he want to supporting to the first World War 19 second World War 1944 1938 and Japan's and Germany. Then Hitler supporting him to make a Indian soldier, Indian army. So they have captured many Indian. They have serving the British rule. So then he hand over to all the Indian to Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose conduct the huge meeting in Burma and Japan and telling him तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Then there's the very Indians are very aggressive. Conduct to the Subhash Chandra Bose in Fauj, and they fighting with the British rule. Come back the Burma Rangoon. Then the Indian are also supporting him. That is a very yes. So during the Germany defeat this second World War. So then during the day, the Subhash Chandra Bose died by the plane crash. So one myth is also running. Gumnami Baba is also Subhash Chandra Bose not dead in plane crash, but it is not we have the uh, evidence. So we will assume that Subhash Chandra Bose died by the plane crash. So is the story of Subhash Chandra Bose is a good leader, good person's administration is very good. Yes, Pankaj ji.
Yes, thank you, Prakash ji. You tell us a lot of idea regarding Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. How you know that during our time, one side is like Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, they were worship of non-violence, and its opposite Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose told us, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Right?
Yes, yes, right.
Both leader path is different, but purpose is only one. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to everyone.
Sir, today we are discussing regarding Subhash Chandra Bose. Sir,
Okay.
told to put, sir, our great leader like Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose, both leaders' path is different, but purpose is only one: how to freedom, right? Surendra, sir?
Yes, of course.
Gandhi always focus and like non-violence, but Subhash Chandra Bose always told us, "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा."
Mm.
Yes, Surendra, sir, please say something more regarding.
बोलिए सर, बोलिए उसमें क्या बोलूं. I'm not prepared now.
All kids, sir. Celebrating 15th August every year as like Independence Day, but for this freedom, a lot of struggle, a lot after we received this. Never forget that type of person. Yes, Surendra sir, please say something.
I'll be later, sir. I'll be later. Please continue.
So Shivani, please say something. You remember yesterday 5 words, yes?
Yes, sir. BITE 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 means दांत से काटना. BEAT 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 means पीटना. BEG big big means भीख मांगना. AWAKE awake means जागना. BIND bind means बांधना.
It's done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So now Avnish, please say 5 new words you remember yesterday. Yes, Avnish. Please unmute. Mic on करो please.
Good. बताऊँ LAWYER वकील. HUNGER भूखा. SLW सोना. VEG भीख मांगना. HITE दांत से काटना.
Yes, Sakshi, please say 5 new words you remembered yesterday.
सर हाँ.
Yes, Sakshi.
CORN रिटर्न से बदला गया था. HUNGR हंगी भूखा. DOIS विकसित हुआ. 2 STAL चुराना. SGRIM scamming अपराध never miss कभी नहीं WE Royal Venus अच्छी तरह से SL डॉली पिछली मिस करना BSC के बैक HOME होम बैक होम में घर लौटना HOME होम WR के वर्क मिस कार्य
Yes, Julie, please say 5 new words you remember yesterday.
यस सर हम बोले
Yes, Julie.
CELEVRATE के मतलब मानना WASHE वर्ष मतलब बर्बाद करना HAPPEN है पर मतलब होना LENGATH मतलब लंबाई MISTAK मिस्टेक मतलब गलती सर 5 वर्ड से कुछ ज्यादा नहीं लिख सकते हैं
नहीं, तुम 50 भी याद कर लो, याद करने के लिए क्या है? जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा वर्ड याद करोगी ऑलवेज गुड. ओके, मिनिमम 5 वर्ड्स. और तुम लोग देख के नहीं बोलती हो ना, अगले बार से तुम लोग जब बात करना ना तो तुम लोग का वीडियो ऑन करना, ठीक है? तुम लोग क्या करती हो, इस टाइम में बोलना रहता है उस टाइम में वीडियो ऑन नहीं करती हो, और जिस टाइम में नहीं बोलना रहता है उस टाइम में वीडियो ऑन करती हो, राइट? सो प्लीज ट्राई टू वीडियो ऑन व्हेन यू विल स्पीक, राइट?
यस सर
तब तुम लोग को बोलना होगा उस टाइम में वीडियो, ताकि एक हैबिट में आएंगे कि यस सब लोग देखेंगे, हाँ तुम बोल रही हो, क्या बोल रहे हो. यस शिवानी, प्लीज
क्या सर
प्लीज रीड आउट read yesterday.
बुक रीडिंग करे
Yes, yes.
अच्छा ठीक है
First,
One fine spring day when the young leaves were supporting on the forest trees crumbling, the goat went out in search of food. Her appetite was sharpened by the delicious smell of the spring which filled the air. So she began to pluck the green leaves from a bush while she was busy plucking and eating. She was startled to hear the deep growl of a tiger quite close to her. What are you doing here? The tiger shouted, angry. Tumbling was so upset by this sudden interruption of a precious beast that she began to turn tumbling from head to foot. Her beard shook violently and she hardly knew what to do. In her fight, she quavered, I am eating kala. A tiger insisted of saying, I am eating as leaves. The tiger took this answer for insult and got very angry. He was about to spring upon when he caught seeing scent of her shaking beard. It appeared to him like the contrast of hair on a sand. When it is left against and angry, he thought that gambling must be a powerful having beast, and he ran away from her in terror. Now gambling instructed of began thankful of began to jump level as she had not been endowed with the strength as that of a tiger. She left the place complaining to God about her weakness in her wandering. She climbed to the top of an overing cliff. There she lay down to chip the cud and to dwell on her grievance. It happened that the same tiger was prowling in the same area, but when he saw the goat opposing, he hid himself under the very chief. He stood still for of began noted by the goat. He was still under the this delicious that she was a fearsome and a powerful animal, all unconscious of his prescience. Was grumbling aloud, I am the poorest and the weakest of all the beasts, without any means of defense or state to withstand and attack. I have neither tools nor close to make an angry. Fear me, the tiger ran away from me because he mistook my beard for a sin of state. Had he known the trust, he would have killed me on the spot, for even a small dog could kill me if he cutted me by my throat. She carried loudly. The tiger was listening to her every word. His anger kindled to find that he had disgraced himself by running away from such a wicked creature. Determined to punish her for that install he crept out from his hiding place, and before sea cloud be aware of his approach, he cutted her by the throat and killed her. The tiger started to announce far and wide, how he had captured and killed the goat. This boost, boosted the confidence of the other tigers and beasts, and they began to hunt the goats. Her song such a general slaughter of goats that they almost got into driven to great fear. The few remaining goats held a tremble council to consider how to save themselves from such attacks. Finally, they decided to approach the human beings for protection. But when they came to human beings, the human said that they cannot go through the jungle to defend the goats. They must come and live with them if they want their safety. So the goats left the jungle forward and started to live with the mankind.
So done, Shivani?
Yes, yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, Anish, please say. Please read out the chapter. First of all, please say chapter name.
Which chapter?
Third,
Chapter 9. He never tells a
lie,
lie.
lie, lie.
देखो ना और बोले
Yes, yes.
once there was a little boy which carries us a and parents are a boy who also there and never told a live and
No.
when
Hello,
he
hello, Anish.
yes sir
Here,
yes sir
once there was a little boy with curly hair and pleasant truth, and never told a lie. Means you you need to understand and they speak also. Yes, never try fast to go. Need to each and every word he start.
yes sir
Yes, once there was little boy. Never try to cross any hard word. What is this? Yes, please try to understand. That's the reason I told you. Yes, please read out in at home also first time. once again.
सर फिर से बोले. Once there was a little boy with carrots
With
and I a boy who also told the truth and never told a lie.
lie. Lie.
And when he
Spotted.
to school, the children all about world cry. There goes the there goes the there goes the never till a little and everybody loving lived
Hello.
and so sorry.
Then the curly-headed boy was a lie, and everybody loved him so because he always told the truth. And every day as he drove up, it was said, "There goes the honest youth." And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, answer would be is because he never tells lie. Avnish tried to speak and when stop, full stop. So in that place you need to take small 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 break. जहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप हो ना थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस खत्म होते हैं ना. जैसे क्या होता है, मेरा नाम पंकज कुमार झा है, मैं पूना में रहता हूँ, मैं अकाउंट्स का काम करता हूँ. मतलब क्या होता है कि जहाँ पे कोई सेंटेंस खत्म होते हैं ना तो उसके बाद थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेना चाहिए ताकि समझ में आए कि हाँ ये सेंटेंस खत्म हुए. स्टार्ट करो. Once there was a little boy with cute hair, pleasant eyes. A boy who always told the truth. लाई में जानते हो क्या होता है? लाई में इसका मीनिंग पता है? लाई आज से क्या करना है, फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या करना, विदाउट करना. ठीक है, आज जो रिपीट करने में जो वर्ड तुमको समझ में नहीं आएंगे ना वही वर्ड याद करना, अपना मर्जी से दिल से नहीं करना. ठीक है, जो आप पढ़ रहे हो, पढ़े थे कल, आज तुम फोर्थ पढ़ोगे, राइट? तो फोर्थ चैप्टर को पढ़ना, पढ़ते टाइम में जो वर्ड तुमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना उस वर्ड को तुम नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करना और उसका मीनिंग खोजना गूगल पे. लाई मीन्स होता है झूठ बोलना. ठीक है, फिर से पढ़ो आराम से, कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है, ट्रेन छूट नहीं रहा है. ठीक है, आराम से पढ़ो फिर से.
Once there was a little boy which
little boy
little boy which has held and
Pleasant eye.
listened I. A boy who also
Always, not also. ALWAYS. Always. Not also means क्या होता है? Also का वर्ड होते हैं ALSO. यहाँ क्या है? ALWAYS. Always.
always told the
Never try to support. Yes. Your number will come after
that
Avnish.
never told a
Lie.
lie
Lie. Yes.
and
When
when
he
the
नहीं है he होता है. When he फास्ट नहीं भागो, पहले देखो तो सही क्या है.
up to school
के बाद क्या है? He के बाद trotted.
trotted up to school the children all
All about.
world
Cry.
cry there goes the low
Cutely. Headed by.
hated boy. The boy that never tells a little, and everybody
The lie. The boy that what is the lie?
loved him so.
Yes.
So
And everybody loved him. So why that never tells a lie and everybody loved him so because he always told the truth. और केवल सही बोलता था, गलत झूठ नहीं बोलता था, इसलिए सब लोग उसको प्यार करते थे. ठीक है. That here so said the boy
that
tells a lie
that every day as he grew up, it was sad. There goes the
honest youth.
honest youth, and when the people that stored near world thrown to ask the person
Reason
why the answer will be
always
as the
always
always this Bush
because
he Bushi never tells a little.
lie. भैया इसका नेक्स्ट पेज नहीं था क्या जूली?
नहीं
एक ही पेज है.
हाँ सर एक ही पेज है.
Yes, Julie, please read it out. Where is it? Which chapter you read yesterday? Sent or no?
Once you for a time. Yes sir. Yes. ये.
Okay.
Yes sir. Chapter number once upon a time.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was an old woman blind, but with out on an old man.
Wise, blind, but wise.
What?
Blind but wise.
Yes, sir.
Upon a time there was an old blind but wise. अंधी तो थी but बुद्धिमान थी, right? Blind में क्या होता है? अंधा. Wise में क्या होता है? बुद्धिमान. So here first sentence, once upon a time there was an old woman, blind but wise. Yes, once again start.
शुरू से.
Yes.
Once upon a time, there was an old woman, blind but wise,
Wise.
or an wise, or and an old man. A grew grapes, stothing, rest. Children, I have
Hello.
heard this.
A guru perhaps sitting restless children.
Children, I have heard this.
Heard
This store or one
story.
story
S-T-O-R.
story or
One exactly like it.
exactly like it.
वहाँ हाँ, उसके बीच में आने का जहाँ तक हो ना, इससे I have is a story or one exactly like it. के बाद फुल स्टॉप है, थोड़ा सा रुक सकते हैं. जहाँ फुल स्टॉप आता है ना, वहाँ पे थोड़ा रुक सकते हैं, फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे. In the love of several cultures, once upon a time there was an old woman, blind, white. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the version I know, the woman is the daughter of slaves. Black American lives alone in a small outside of town. Town तो फुल स्टॉप है. जहाँ भी फुल स्टॉप हो ना, वहाँ पे थोड़ा रुकना चाहिए कि लोग जो सुन रहे हैं ना, उनको भी लगे कि हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, कोई ट्रेन छूट नहीं रहा है कि ट्रेन पकड़ना है, बराबर. हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस ही करना है ना. चलो फिर से बोलो.
शुरू से. Yes, sir. Once upon a time there was an old woman, blind but with all and a guru soothing restless children. I have heard this.
हेड नहीं है, हियर्ड है. HEARD.
Heard this story or one extrait. One extrait.
Exactly like it.
In the role
In the love of
of
several churches.
several
Several culture बोलते.
several
Yes.
culture.
Culture.
Once upon a time. Once upon
There was
a time there was an old woman with man
blind.
with
Blind means अंधा होता है ना. Blind white.
blind with eyes.
Yes.
In the very on
In the
very
verse.
on I know
फिर से verse.
no
The version.
the in the version I know the human is the
Daughter of
Salivas.
slaves. Okay.
Black American and one in a small
Alone in a small
alone in a small house.
outside
Outside of
town. Yes, outside of town.
सर ये क्या है
Reputation. REPUTATION. Her reputation for
wisdom
without
he is without there and
among her people. Paro.
and
Among
without
her people, she is both the law and its transgression. Among her people, she is
among people see
both
is both the
law
allow
and its
and its
transgression.
transgression.
Yes.
Transgression.
The
honor she is paid and the is away
yes, away
in which she is held rich by one
beyond her food.
सर ये क्या है NERGHD
neighborhood पड़ोसी neighborhood. To places far away.
ALY
So
to the cry
city means शहर. To the city
where
the
the intel
Intelligence of rural prophets is the source of
Intelligence of the pupils is the source of much
movement.
amendment.
A
One ANUSEMET and
movement.
yes, sir. One day the women no, women is um,
Visited
visited by some
young people who seem
people who seem
bent
on
disproving her
transforming her crave crave
influence and showing her up for the fraud they believe she
service and so you are before the
fraud they believe she is their
their believe
people.
she is three name.
Their
Their brain is simple. They
enter
enter here
here
house
HR means
and
her. HIS his means उसका HR her उसकी enter
her house and ask the
her
one's question
answer
they
answer to which slowly on her
question the answer to which reads
writes on difference from
solving one here returns
difference
returns
from them a difference
from them a driftness they real
profound disability or blindness. They stand before her and on her age old woman I in my hand. God, tell me whether it is living or dead. So from today, first of all, read out the chapters and try to find out which word you have trouble. Yes. एक बार पढ़ो, एक बार पढ़ो, जो वर्ड नहीं आ रहे हैं ना उस वर्ड को तुम पहले नोटबुक में लिख लो, फिर उसका मीनिंग देखो गूगल से क्या मीनिंग है, फिर उस वर्ड को पहले समझ लो, फिर दो बार तुम पढ़ो एक ही चैप्टर को, ठीक है? समझ नहीं आएंगे या फिर सही से प्रोनाउंस नहीं हो पाएंगे, ठीक है? जो नया वर्ड तुम लोग लिखती हो ना, जो चैप्टर पढ़ती हो उसी में से निकालो कि कौन सा वर्ड तुमको नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है? कहीं दूसरी जगह जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो आप लोग पढ़ो भी है। Please read out.
Sir.
Yes. First of all, chapter name.
A hare and the woodcutter.
Okay.
There was a hare in a forest. His name was Freddy. One day he was wandering its food. The hunter was himself done after Freddy to catch him. Freddy say his life in danger. He fell across the resistance to save the life. On the way, he met a woodcutter who was for woodcutter. Please help me. Freddy begins go and hands in my hut. There is the woodcutter. Freddy went in the hut. From there, the contents of the hut. He was the hunter top. They said the woodcutter, have you seen a hare? No, said the woodcutter, led into intent so that Freddy called hare his butt. As the spark the punch his fingers in the looking for Freddy, the hunter did nothing there and went always the hare came out of the hunt to run home. Aren't you ever going to thank me or say you found my hunters? Since the woodcutter was Freddy went past him, rubbing his wings, Freddy stopped. He looked at the woodcutter for a moment. There he sensed I would have down, but I say how you turn to bend me. You are not winter of thanks. Saying that this Freddy's run with one bear.
Okay. So try to understand where full stop. We need to take a small breath. Yes. जहाँ पे stop हो ना, वहाँ पे हल्का सा रुकना चाहिए, फिर स्टार्ट करना चाहिए दूसरा सेंटेंस. ठीक है. और try करो कि जो बहुत पहला होमवर्क क्या करो, पहले चैप्टर पढ़ो. और पढ़ोगे तो समझ आए कौन कौन पॉइंट आउट करो. उसको याद करो और उसके बाद 2 बार 3 बार एक चैप्टर 2 से 3 बार पढ़ो डेली. ठीक है. तुम धीरे धीरे हो जाएंगे. तो आज तो बहुत लेट हो गया. हाँ,
यस सर. सर शिवानी क्या बोली आपको?
कल कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ोगी, कौन सा
पंडित
टॉपिक?
जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
ओके. तो कल पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के ऊपर में ऐसे लिखना है. जो भी चैप्टर पढ़ना है एक बार पढ़ो और उसमें से जो जो वर्ड तुमको नहीं आ रहे हैं उसी वर्ड को तुम नोटबुक में लिखो.
सर को नाम प्रणाम याद हो गया, सुन लीजिए.
ठीक है, बोलो ना जो बोलो. साक्षी.
A noun is a naming word, place, person, animal, thing, etc. Example: Ram, Sita, Gita, Mohan. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and apostrophic noun. Each pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun. Example: I, me, mine, us, you, we, have,
How many types of pronoun you remember?
Many types of pronoun.
प्रोनाउन कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? जैसे नाउन बताए ना, नाउन 5 प्रकार के होते हैं, उस तरह से प्रोनाउन कितने प्रकार के होते हैं पता है?
Noun. नहीं सर।
ठीक है, आज याद करना, समझना, ठीक है? जैसे नाउन बोले
ग्रामर में भी नहीं है तो कैसे करेंगे यार?
अभी जो श्रेया भेजी है ना तुम लोगों को, वो लिखी हुई है कितने प्रकार के
नहीं
प्रोनाउन होते
भेजी है सर,
हैं।
नहीं भेजी है।
ग्रुप में है, नाउन प्रोनाउन एडजेक्टिव भी भेजी है।
नो, इसका नहीं है।
ठीक है, हम आज फिर से उसी को भेजते हैं, ठीक है? नाउन प्रोनाउन एडजेक्टिव
नहीं है। सॉरी अलग कॉपी और
ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग करो क्या करना है। सबसे पहले रीड आउट करना है चैप्टर, ठीक है? चैप्टर रीड आउट करो एक बार, और वर्ड नहीं जान रहे हैं उस वर्ड बुक में लिखो, और उसके बाद 2 से 3 बार रीड आउट करो, ठीक है? और कल का होमवर्क है पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू भी कवर करना, और नाउन प्रोनाउन ये सब भी हम भेजते हैं फिर से। ओके शिवानी, साक्षी, हम लोग कल मिलेंगे 5:30 में। ओके
ओके सर। ओके यस सर। बाय सर। बाय सर। बाय बाय। बाय सर।